Hey guys, today's video I want to share with you guys some easy, no paint home decor DIYs that you guys can create with some $1 items from Target or Walmart. Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And like I said, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some easy, no paint home decor DIYs that you can create with some $1 items from Target and Walmart. A lot of times I do DIYs on my channel and some of you guys say, oh, that's too hard for me. So I love when I can bring you guys some easy home decor DIYs to create, or some hacks, or where you could just take a simple $1 item or something that's around $1, take it and transform it into something that can be home decor, because home decor can be quite expensive. A lot of times I get my inspiration from like higher end home decor brands, and when you go to Target, there's two brands that's very popular, which is Magnolia line from the Fixer Upper couple, and also that Threshold line. I forgot who actually has that line, but the Threshold line is also a very popular one. And even though those brands can be kind of affordable, I would say they're more affordable than the higher end store, there's still some of the stuff that they sell is still too pricey for me, and I know I can recreate a lot of their stuff that they have for way cheaper. So the other day I was in Target and I was going through the kitchen section, and I saw this cake stand that was in the Threshold line, and it was for $25. And I knew instantly I can make that with Dollar Tree products. I could take a bowl, I could take a plate, and if it's not black, I could spray paint it. So in my mind, I was already going to create it with Dollar Tree items. Now everything is at Dollar Tree for $1.25 now, and if I were to get like something like that and paint it, it would still come around cheaper than $25, but it would still cost me a little bit more because, you know, it would be $2.50 to get the two pieces and then spray paint it. But lo and behold, when I went down the aisle, I was in my mind, like I said, I was in my mind to go get some stuff from Dollar Tree, but as I was walking down the aisle, I went to the end cap, and at the end cap, they had these plastic bowls, cups, and plates there that I've seen before at Walmart, but they always come in these bright colors. Well, this time at Target, they had them in black, and they were only 75 cents, guys. And when I saw this plate and when I saw this bowl, I was like, oh my God, I can instantly put them together, and bam, it makes the cake stand that I saw in the Threshold aisle that was $25. I basically recreated it for $1.50. I don't have to spray paint it because it was already black. And what's good about this is that a lot of times when I recreate like cake stand items and you spray paint it, you really can't put any food on it because of the spray paint. So you have to put like, you know, some type of like paper on it because you don't want to add, you know, put nothing on your food. But with it being already the color that I wanted it to be, this can also be used for my cakes, my cupcakes, but also for home decor. There's so many ways that you can use this elevated like cake stand, this elevated tray, or what they call a cake stand. You can use it for, like I said, for the food, but you can also use it to decorate your home. You can add some beautiful decor on it, and it could be a home decor piece, so it could be used multiple ways. And instead of paying $25 for the Threshold one, you can pick up these two pieces and pay $1.50, and bam, you instantly got that cake stand for much less. Also, do not discount the bowl. The bowl itself has such a beautiful shape to it, and matter of fact, in that same section, that Threshold section where I saw the cake stand at, they had some decorative black bowls as well, and those were going for $25, guys. It looked just like this, and you can buy this one that's 75 cents and get the same exact look, decorate it any way you want it, for much less. And nobody will know the difference between the Threshold one that's kind of like a ceramic or this plastic one. You can get multiple bowls and kind of stack them on top of each other and do like kind of like a decor design like this in your kitchen, in your dining room, in your living room. But you could also put things in the bowl by itself and just decorate it like this. If you guys saw on Christmas time, I put some I had like a bowl that I actually bought from Dollar Tree, spray painted it black because I'm into that modern black look, and I put some red Christmas beads in it that I got from Walmart, and instantly I had a home decor piece that was kind of a dupe version of, I believe it was from, I forgot the higher end store that I was recreating it. I will link it down below so you guys can see it, but it was much less than what the other store had it for, and I only had like a bowl at that time. It was a bowl from Dollar Tree and I spray painted it, but this is way cheaper because it's only 75 cents. So don't discount these plastic bowls now that I use in my home for, you know, for us to eat, but you can also use them for home decor, and it's much less than what you would pay for those other brands. Now, like I said, Walmart also has those similar plastic plates in a bunch of different colors. So even if you don't want it in black, they have so many different colors for whatever design you're doing it for. But I was happy that I found it in black because, like you guys have seen in my recent videos, I'm really into that black and white modern look. So the fact that I found that in black and I didn't have to spray paint it was a plus, because I can use it, like I said, for food and for decor. But then I went into Walmart the other day and I noticed that they had some new plastic plates that were kind of different from those, and they were a little bit more pricey. They were $1.98, but they were still a good price, and they look like this, guys. They had like this little, well, first of all, it was like a whole set. It was like bowls, it was plates, it was cups, it was a whole set that looked like this kind of stoned kind of detail material. I picked up the black one and the white one, but they also have this beautiful like robin egg blue that I know a lot of people would love, and especially coming into the summer months where everybody decorates in blues for like the beach theme, that would be so pretty. So they have those as well. So each of these pieces are $1.98, but what I loved about these plates was not only were they plates, but they had like a little rim around them like a tray would be. Like any other trays that you've seen, or whenever we try to do Dollar Tree DIYs, a lot of us try to buy things so we can make a rim out of the plates to make it look like a tray. This plate already came like this for $1.98, and it's supposed to be a plate, but it looks like a little tray. And the detail on this little like spotting stone look is so nice. A lot of people are getting into that stone look. A lot of DIYers are buying that stone spray, which costs so much, guys. That little stone texture spray, it's so much money. It goes for like, I think about $8 to maybe $12, depending on which one you buy. And the fact that these bowls and plates came with already that stone kind of material, stone kind of look, you're saving so much money like that, because you're only paying $1.98, and it's already like that white with the stone, it's already that black with the stone, and if you like the blue, it's already that blue with the stone. So it cuts down so much on money and time, no pain at all, because it's already done for you. Now these plates, like I said, they look good on their own. They could be trays on their own. You could just leave it as is, decorate it, put things on it as just the plate itself, and it's a tray. But you can also take it one step further, take the bowl that comes with it, also put it together like I did the last one, and make it look like a cake stand. And you can use it, like I said, for a cake stand and for cupcakes. And because it's already painted, you don't have to worry about it contaminating your food. It's already painted, so you can use it for food, but you can also use it for home decor as well. And again, just like the last bowl, these bowls, look at these shapes. The shapes of them look so high end. They look like home decor type of bowls that you would find in the home decor stores for much more. Yes, these are $1.98, but they're still less in price than the other ones. The one that I showed you from Target, yes, it's 75 cents, but this one for $1.98 with the details that come on this, it's so beautiful. It doesn't look like a bowl itself. You can use it for, for your plates and your bowl sets for the summertime, or for like a dining room set, but you can take this and use it for so much more. You could take this and put like the beads in it. Like I said, the other one, I like putting like some greenery in it. It will look really pretty for the summer months. I love having a touch of greenery with any decor piece I do. And if you put a little bit of greenery in this, it will just give it such a nice look. But when it comes to bowls, you could take the same color, stack them in with each other, and make a nice little kitchen decor like I shared with you. You could take it, put greenery, put beads, put the little decorative chains. You could do so many things with these bowls. Again, like I said, you could stack it together. It could be by itself. This would also be really nice in a bathroom. If you have like space on your vanity, you could put all your beauty things, all your dental things. This will be a beautiful tray for the bathroom, the kitchen. There's so many things that you can do with these plates. So don't just look at them as plates and bowls. Really look at them how you can use them around your house to decorate on a budget. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked the ideas that I gave you. on how you can take these plates and use them for home decor, and also different ways on how you can create a cake stand that's not $25, that's like only $1.50 or much less. You really don't have to spend a lot to make your house look beautiful, and you really don't have to spend a lot for like kitchenware, or like if you're throwing a party, this would be great to use these trays or this cake stands to throw a party. You don't have to spend a lot of money to make it look beautiful, because we're already spending a lot of money when we do parties. So I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed the way that I share with you guys how you can take ordinary dollar items at Target and Walmart and kind of take it a step further and use it for home decor, but also kitchen decor. And also let me know in the comments down below, how would you guys use these? I share with you guys different ways on how I styled it. I was trying to give you guys just like a general idea of how you can style the cake stand, how you can style it as a tray, how you can style the bowl by itself. But if you have any other ideas of how you guys would use it in your home, or how you guys would style it, let me know in the comments down below. Share pictures with me. I love getting ideas from you guys. You know, my channel is all about sharing with you guys my ideas, but I love when you guys give me ideas, because not only will the other people in the comments that are reading it get the ideas as well, but it gets my creative juices flowing for other ideas to share with you guys. So definitely get in those comments down below and let me know whatever you think about what I share with you guys today and your ideas. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more budget-friendly home decor DIYs, just living on a budget, just basically all the ideas on how to do things, how to have, you know, your home and life more affordable, and just, you know, ideas about it. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.